What's up, great people? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Flora Best, and I'm back with another video. But before we dive right into it, if this is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you won't miss any of my videos. All right, guys, let's dive right into it. Welcome back, guys. I'm super excited today to record this video. As you can see by the title, how to prepare tomato egg sauce. But quickly, here are the recipes for this great sumptuous meal. As you can see here, I have my fresh tomato, and the next item I will be needing here will be some pepper. But the species of pepper I will be using today is habanero pepper. I love this pepper so much because it's so hot. And the next item I will be needing for my preparation today is green pepper, also known as bell pepper. And the next item will be some onion. As you can see, I have 2 medium-sized onion here. And the next item is some garlic. I love my garlic so much. And the next item here will be egg. And as you can see, I have 4 large size of egg. And the next item I'll be needing here will be my oil. And the oil I will be using for my frying today is extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And lastly, I have my spices here. As you can see, I have my salt, some stock cube, chicken cube, and also my curry powder. So guys, let me prep my ingredients. As you can see, the way I'm slicing my tomato. If you want to make your tomato egg sauce, this is the best way to have your tomato chopped. Okay, guys, let's go into the cooking proper. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm done with the preparation of my ingredients. So the next thing we want to do right now is to go straight into the preparation proper. So first of all, I have a dried pan on the heat, as you can see here. The oil I will be using is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. But don't get me wrong, you can also use any other oil of your choice. But for me, I chose to use extra virgin olive oil. That is what I choose to use. So now, the next thing I'm going to do is I want to introduce the olive oil into the dried pan. Okay, let me check if this is okay for us, because we are preparing 2 portions of fried egg. All right, guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. And also share this video with your friends and loved ones. All right, the oil is heating right now. The next thing I want to do is to introduce my chopped onion into the vegetable oil. So right now, what I want to do first is to add the chopped onion and also the chopped garlic into it, and I'm going to stir this now. I don't want to kill my vegetable. So what I want to do next is to introduce my already chopped fresh tomato. So this is it. So I'm going to add this immediately. Okay. So this is it. And the next thing I'm going to add almost immediately is my chopped pepper. here is my pepper. First here you can see my, sorry please. First here you can see my bell pepper, chopped bell pepper. I'm adding it to the rest of the ingredients in the pot. And next I'm going to add my habanero pepper. This is habanero pepper. I'll add it to it, then I'm going to stir this properly. So after this now, I'm going to wait for it to just boil a little bit. That's it. You can see how it is. Please be sure when you are trying to make your vegetable egg sauce, don't forget to make sure you don't kill your vegetables, because I love having my vegetable fresh. Like when you're eating it, you're feeling the freshness of it, not like killing everything, all the nutrients. The way you fry your tomato, onion and pepper, you kill the nutrients in it. So I'm just going to fry this for just some few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, before adding the egg to it. So the next thing I want to do here is to add my spices. So first I'll be adding curry. You can see my curry powder here. I'm going to add some curry to it. And next I'm going to add my chicken seasoning. This is chicken seasoning. You can choose to use any seasoning of your choice. So next I'm going to be adding my salt to it. So lastly I have my cubes. I use no cube for me. So let me just try and see if I can crush this. Okay, it's already crushed. So I'm introducing the cube to it. So I've added all my seasonings. I've added all my seasoning to it. Okay. Wow. You can see how it looks already. When I haven't even added the egg to it, you can see how it looks. Alright, so this is the egg already. I have 2 portions of egg here, 2 portions, but in all, a portion of egg is considered as 2. We use 2 eggs for a portion, but since I'm going to be serving 2 portions, so I'm using 4 large size of fresh egg. So right now I'm adding it to it. So after adding it to it, you just allow it for like some 10 seconds before you stir. Don't stir immediately you add your egg to it, otherwise it won't be scrambled anymore. So I'm going to wait for some seconds. Alright, so I can now stir this. I can stir it a little. Okay, then also allow it for some time. Okay. Okay. Let me stir it a little bit. Guys, please don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Show me some love by clicking on the like button, and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. And if you're watching this video at this point, you've still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit that red subscribe button right away.